alongima gi kinde ka kinde. Judith Omondi, Ramogi TV.
Korom gajong thuolo machielo mwaka oywe chendo ni mar Migago to kapok oyweyo na nyisi kacha nyang na kao pachi mana matin kende kapok wadhi yweyo no kamatina uchieng lago kawuok Rweya Kisumu kaunti wacho ni ntiere kodwa chendo ni mar Migago kuomos kacha na min ginya lago kantiere gwenge Malendu neno bende ka Loisa kantiere Kahawa wacho ni Ramogi TV chopone gi Kahawa yo makare mano kaunti ma Nairobi ne matina mar Oboke Center ni kacha in bende wacho ni intiere kodwa kende se check in Wodo Juang wacho ni omora ahinya gi Ramogi TV bena neno ka wacho ni en kanyo gi babagi Samson Otweyo mar Orlando to en gima ber ka sirikal okawo twa mar thoe mwacho ni maricho motimore gwengego mag Migori mano Julia Ngwen Maria Upachi wacho ni en bende intiere kodwa e chendo. Grace Abicha ni kacha kendo wacho ni pod intiere kodwa e chendo Korom gajwang ari adeka wacho no namba marote machuoka bende wantiere kacha e mbui ainyato YouTube live inyalo ng'iyo wechegi bende kapok ka oyweyo Korom gajwang Hamisi Gana ni chenro mag thieth omedo yudo jip kaunti ma Homa Bay tok ya pomar ka thieth mar Rachuonyo East sub county hospital ka thieth no ntiere nyaka gi kar bero kind chenro moko mag thieth kendo wadhi kanyo mondo ane gino bende dhi mbele chenro no e kaunti ma Homa Bay.
Excellency Nyamrerwa are really helping us on education of the public. Puonj ma Nyamrerwa ni dhi Hosiptal no gino kikilingo tinyalo biro Hosiptal ka itinyalo thiedhi. This is a public hospital, it is affordable, and please let us visit our public health facilities. Bile mobiro nyuol kae, mobiro chung kae te, ute onyuol ka. Kata madhi mako ichkini goru uchangi ndalo mabiro go, ute obiro nyuol ka. Donge wawinjori? So that let us utilize our public health facilities. Finally, Your Excellency, as I sit down, I want to thank our healthcare workers for the energy and the effort that they put to serve the public. It is no mean task, working day and night, from Nyamrerwa to the highest consultants. These guys do an amazing job, and we really celebrate the work that you do. Your Excellency, it is now my singular honor and duty to welcome Mheshimiwa Rosalie Nomolo, the CCM for Health, to give her remarks and carry on with the program. Karibu Waziri.
Your Excellency, the Governor, our guest of honor for the day, Professor Olive Mugenda, His Excellency, the Deputy Governor, the area MP, and a very old friend of mine, I'm not saying we are old, Dr. Mheshimiwa Eve Obara, the County First Lady for Nyamira County, Excellency Emily Nyaribo, and Her Excellency Salim Barchok, all the way from Bomet. Our key partner for the day, who is also the chair of the Scaling Up Nutrition Network, Martha Nyagaya, my colleague CECs. Your Excellency, I want to start by introducing my colleagues who are here. But as I introduce them, I want to single out and thank my co-CEC. I call him my co-CEC because whenever I'm not there, he's the one who stands in for me. Waziri Danish has been in this facility day and night, just as it has been said. Thank you very much, Yakomala. I want to call them so that they come in front and introduce themselves and say a word.
Your Excellency and all the distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Joash Shalom, CC Member for Water, Irrigation, Sanitation, Energy, Forestry, Environment and Climate Change, and I wish to welcome you. Thank you.
Your Excellency and all our guests that have visited us, I'm Martin Opere, the CCM in charge of education, human capital development, and vocational training. Asanteni sana.
Your Excellency, Chief Guest, all protocol observed. My name is Frederick Orego. I am the County Attorney, and we are happy to be here this afternoon.
To our Chief Guest, Professor Mugenda, our Governor, Her Excellency Gladys Wanga, the area Deputy Governor, Oyugi Magwanga, our area MP, Ivo Bara, all the distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Oh, good afternoon. Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity to sincerely thank you for considering Kabondo Kasipul for this magnificent facility. Thank you so much. You gave me a job to be the minister in charge of public works. I wake up here, I sleep here every day to make this happen, Your Excellency. This is in line with your commitment to the people of Homa Bay. You told us, Your Excellency, that we spend only 2 days in the office and 3 days in the field. And we're actually doing that. In fact, for me, I think I'm doing 4 days in the field, 1 day in the office. Thank you so much, Your Excellency.